picked up a 2020 Power Wagon, and we're gonna build it and take it across the U.S. this year. We're not really too sure on some of these timelines. We've talked to some companies, we've heard 15 weeks. We've talked to some companies and we've heard 5 days. So we are targeting to get this done by April and have this on the road immediately. I just anticipate, I hope that is done before maybe June.
So Jordan, the Anthem manager, is actually out of the office this morning, so I figured I'd jump in here. We got Banker behind me here. He's gonna get started tearing into the Power Wagon. We just finished wrapping it, as I'm sure you guys saw in the last episode. So today is all about performance parts. Now we're gonna do some unboxing in a little bit here. We've got an intake and exhaust. We've also got some goodies from Banks Power as well to go in there. So we'll do that here in just a second, but for now, let's get into it. What's up, guys? So we've got Anthem's 2020 Power Wagon in here. We've got a MBRP exhaust, an AFE intake, a Banks pedal commander, and some Morimoto headlights to put in today. So let's get into it. Hey, trying to finish this Power Wagon. Yeah. Where are my bumpers that I'm supposed to be putting on? Where is the other half of my lift kit I'm supposed to be putting on?
I don't know.
Where are all of my parts? It's been like 3 weeks when we were told 2 weeks on the bumpers.
Yeah, we're still waiting on your brackets.
Sweet.
Oh my god.
All right, so the custom offsets guys came and grabbed me. They gave me the update. It's not incredible. We're finding out that our original 6 to 10, our 4 to 8 that I was promised, that the Anthem team was promised on this wagon, it's not going to happen. We're running into some bump in the road on bumpers. We're running into some issues on racking. We're running into some slowdowns on suspension. We knew that this could happen, but we were really hoping that it wasn't going to happen. We got wheels in, we have tires in. We have some things locked in, but boy, do we have a way to go in certain directions. So when will this be picked up? I don't even know myself. Really, we're in a tough spot. So we good? We good to wrap this? I'm done.